Did you know that one of the most common things we throw away in our kitchen can actually become a rich aromatic spice? Yes, those onion peels and garlic peels usually thrown into the trash can be transformed into a beautiful flavorful kitchen spice that take your meat, stew and soup to the next level. So if you have been wasting onions and garlic peels all this while, after watching this video, that stops today. This recipe is super easy, totally natural, and the most interesting part, it costs absolutely nothing. Curious to see how I made it? Let's dive right in. These here are onions and garlic peels. Anytime I peel onions or garlic for cooking, I simply set the peels aside instead of throwing them away. First, I start with the garlic peels. I give them a good rinse to remove any dust or dirt. Then squeeze out the excess water. After that, I spread them evenly on a tray and set them aside. Next are the onion peels. I repeat the same process, but I rinse the onion peels a bit more thoroughly, especially because of how onions are usually handled in the market. Once everything is properly washed, I take them out to dry under the sun. You want to let them dry until they become crispy. This makes blending very easy. If you have a food dehydrator, even better, it works perfectly for this step. When they are completely dry, it is time to grind. I start by adding the dried garlic peels into my blender and blend until they become smooth and powdery. Then I transfer that into a bowl and set it aside. Next, I blend the onion peels. I add them in batches for smoother blending. After that, I return the blended garlic peas powder into the blender and add dried ginger and dried pepper. Blending these four ingredients together creates an incredibly aromatic spice that is perfect for meat, stew and soup. Just look at how smooth and beautiful it turns out. Finally, I transfer the spice into a clean container and that is it. You are good to go. And just like that, you have turned simple kitchen waste into a unique, powerful, and indispensable kitchen ingredients that add amazing aroma and flavor to your meals. If you find this useful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more smart kitchen tips. See you in the next one.